Hello Internet. So I keep getting these AMD 7900 cards with black screen or artifacting complaints. This particular one was said to have black screen after 2 hours of gaming. There's no way I'm going to game on this thing for 2 hours, so I will simply stress the living soul out of this thing and hope it would crash. And while doing so, looking at all the available data, as little as AMD has provided us with, which is why I don't like AMD cards, because there's hardly any data at all. I don't see anything wrong. So what does happen when you game for 2 hours? Heat. So I manually slowed the fans down and started closely monitoring the temperatures while it's slowly bringing it up to the crashing point. But unfortunately, once the critical temperatures were reached, card simply went into a thermal protection by limiting its power while it continued to run. And once temperatures dropped, board draw went up again, and I still don't have a crash. With that said, I don't know why I get cards like that. It's the HDMI cable, or the monitor, or the power supply at fault? I don't know. All I know is that I cannot crash this thing, and therefore it's going home without a fix and with no pay. If you have any ideas how else can I test this, please let me know and I will give it one last chance before I send it back. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Goodbye.